What is insurance? Explained with bananas. Monkey has banana tree. Banana tree is everything. Banana tree is life. One day, big storm come. Lightning hit banana tree. Banana tree gone. Monkey has no bananas. Monkey has no leaves. Monkey devastated. This is the problem insurance solves. What is insurance? Every month, Monkey pays a small amount of leaves to Insurance Monkey. This is called a premium. Monkey pays premium every single month. Nothing happens. Monkey pays again. Nothing happens. Monkey pays again. Nothing happens. Monkey's starting to think this is a scam. Then, one day, lightning hit banana tree again. Monkey calls Insurance Monkey. Insurance Monkey comes. Insurance Monkey pays for new banana tree. Monkey only paid 10 leaves a month. New banana tree cost 500 leaves. Insurance Monkey covered it. This is insurance. Monkey pays small amounts regularly so that when something very expensive and very bad happens, Monkey is not completely destroyed. Why does insurance exist? Because bad things happen to monkeys. Monkey gets sick, Monkey crashes banana cart, Monkey's treehouse floods, Monkey slips on own banana peel. Most monkeys cannot afford to pay for these things all at once, but most monkeys can afford a small amount every month. Insurance Monkey collects premiums from thousands of monkeys. Most monkeys will not have a disaster this month, so Insurance Monkey uses the leaves from all monkeys to pay for the disasters of some monkeys.
This is called pooling risk. Monkey does not know if disaster will happen to him, but Monkey knows that if it does, he will not lose everything. Types of insurance. There are many types of insurance because monkeys find many ways to have very bad days. Health insurance. Monkey gets sick. Dr. Monkey charges many leaves. Health insurance covers the bill, or some of it. Monkey still confused by the rest of the bill. Life insurance. If Monkey dies, Insurance Monkey pays leaves to Monkey's family. Monkey hopes family uses leaves wisely and does not blow it all on bananas. Banana cart insurance. Monkey crashes banana cart into another monkey's banana cart. Insurance covers the damage. This is why monkey government makes it illegal to drive banana cart without insurance. Home insurance. Monkey's treehouse floods, burns, or gets hit by falling coconut. Insurance Monkey pays to fix it. Travel insurance. Monkey goes on holiday. Monkey loses luggage. Monkey gets food poisoning from questionable banana stand. Insurance covers the chaos. Pet insurance. Monkey has pet parrot. Parrot swallows a leaf. Vet charges 400 leaves to remove it. Insurance Monkey sighs deeply and pays. How premiums are calculated. Insurance Monkey does not charge every monkey the same amount. Insurance Monkey looks at how risky Monkey is. Young monkey who has never crashed banana cart pays less than old monkey who has crashed 5 banana carts and 1 canoe. Monkey who lives near active volcano pays more for home insurance than monkey who lives in very calm, very boring jungle. Monkey who eats only bananas and exercises every morning pays less for health insurance than monkey who has not seen a vegetable since 2019. This assessment of risk is called underwriting. If monkey is very high risk, Insurance Monkey may charge very high premium or refuse to cover monkey at all. Monkey is on his own. Deductibles. Here is the part many monkeys get confused. When something bad happens, Monkey calls Insurance Monkey, but Monkey still has to pay some of the cost himself first. This is called a deductible, or excess.
If banana tree gets destroyed and repair costs 500 leaves and Monkey's deductible is 100 leaves, Insurance Monkey pays the remaining 400. Why does this exist? 2 reasons. First, Insurance Monkey does not want Monkey to call for every tiny thing. Monkey scratches banana cart. Monkey does not call insurance. Monkey fixes it himself. Second, it keeps premiums lower. Monkey pays more upfront when disaster strikes, but pays less every month. Higher deductible equals lower premium. Lower deductible equals higher premium. Monkey must decide how much risk Monkey is comfortable with. What is not covered? Insurance Monkey is helpful, but Insurance Monkey has limits. Most insurance does not cover things Monkey does on purpose. Monkey burns down own treehouse. Insurance does not pay. Monkey is also now in trouble with Monkey Police. Most insurance does not cover pre-existing conditions. Monkey already sick before buying health insurance? Insurance Monkey says that one is not on them. Most insurance does not cover acts of nature in certain regions. Monkey builds treehouse on side of volcano? Policy says no volcano coverage. Monkey should have read the fine print. Fine print is very important. Most monkeys do not read it. This is how Insurance Monkey makes extra money. When insurance goes wrong. Sometimes Insurance Monkey is not helpful. Monkey pays premium for many years. Monkey makes claim. Insurance Monkey finds a reason not to pay. This is called a claim denial. Monkey frustrated. Sometimes Monkey pays for coverage Monkey does not need. Young, healthy Monkey paying for platinum health plan when basic would do fine. Sometimes Monkey buys too little coverage. Disaster costs 1,000 leaves. Monkey's policy only covers 300. Monkey must find remaining 700 leaves himself. Monkey panicking. And sometimes insurance company itself goes under. Insurance Monkey had bad year, many disasters at once. Insurance company runs out of leaves. This is called insolvency. This is why Monkey government regulates insurance companies, to make sure they have enough leaves to actually pay when things go wrong. The real-world banana fire. Hurricane Katrina, 2005. This really happened. In 2005, a massive hurricane hit the southern United States.
Over 1,800 monkeys lost their lives. Entire cities flooded. Hundreds of thousands of monkeys lost their homes. Many of those monkeys had home insurance. But here is where it got complicated. Most home insurance policies covered wind damage. Hurricane brings wind. Wind destroys treehouse. Insurance pays. Simple. But most home insurance policies did not cover flood damage. That required separate flood insurance. Hurricane Katrina brought both wind and flood at the same time, together. So insurance companies argued the damage was from flooding, not wind. Therefore, not covered. Policy does not apply. Claim denied. Monkeys who thought they were protected found out they were not. Tens of thousands of claims were disputed. Monkey governments and courts had to get involved. Legal battles went on for years. Some monkeys never got paid. The lesson is not that insurance is bad. The lesson is that Monkey must know exactly what Monkey is covered for, before the storm, not after. Read the fine print, especially if Monkey lives somewhere that gets hurricanes. Do monkeys need insurance? Not always, but usually yes. If Monkey has many leaves saved up, Monkey can sometimes self-insure. Monkey keeps enough leaves aside that if disaster strikes, Monkey can cover it himself without needing Insurance Monkey. But most monkeys do not have that many leaves, and most monkeys cannot predict when the big disaster is coming. Monkey never thinks lightning will hit Banana Tree until Banana Tree is on fire. Insurance is not Monkey betting that something bad will happen. Insurance is Monkey making sure that if something bad does happen, Monkey does not lose everything. How to pick the right insurance. This is not financial advice. Please do not sue Monkey. Monkey should think about what Monkey cannot afford to lose. Banana Tree, treehouse, health. These things need coverage. Monkey should compare premiums from different insurance monkeys. Prices vary a lot. Monkey should read the policy carefully, especially the fine print, especially the exclusions. And Monkey should check that the insurance company has enough leaves to actually pay a claim. Ratings agencies like Moody's and Standard & Poor's rate insurance companies.
An insurance monkey with no leaves is not a useful insurance monkey. Start with the basics. Get more coverage as monkey earns more leaves. Because banana tree will not always be standing. And apes together strong.